Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have a special guest over here, Mr. Valentino, and we're going to show you how easy it is to re-thermal paste your GPU. I've just wrapped up getting this radiator redone so it's no longer flaking and corroded, because unfortunately due to weather and air cons, the heat sinks on these things tend to flake up. Now let's get into it. For this, what we're going to need thermal paste, a screwdriver, and some isopropylene alcohol. So starting off, Mr. Valentino, I think what you want to do, just get cloth. There you go. So I'll hold the bottle, you hold that cloth nicely. You got it? Mm-hmm. Get your finger straight, bud. This is his first time, he's never done this before. So this is how you learn. Spray. Spray. Okay. That's fine, don't worry. I'll put this one side over here. Okay, so you want to clean that die first of all. There you go. Get it all. Okay, so I have pre-cleaned most of the old thermal paste off of this, because obviously when you do thermal paste it does spread. Then you want to clean your heatsink itself. So I would clean the heatsink itself. The thermal pads, I've already applied them, so we're quite fine on that. But after cleaning everything off, we should be good to go. I think you want to just clean this heat spread over here. Yeah, it's looking good. And the top piece, there you go. Okay, so I'll take that cloth. Okay, so thermal paste. Do you want to get the thermal paste there, Tina?
Thermal paste.
Hey, it's got a lid on it, bud. It's got a cap. Don't just press. You gotta first remove that cap, bud. But be very, very careful, because no, it twists. So.
Oh, you have to twist it?
Yeah, you twist it off like that. Okay. There you go. Okay, so yeah, in the middle, you want it nice and chunky. Now I would go just straight down, bud. But that'll do. It's fine. Okay, I think we can add just a tad more over there. Not cause any bubbles over there. And just like that, you've applied your thermal paste. So now, how about we get everything plugged back in and screwed up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you want to take this little connector. I'm going to hold this. Okay, you got that?
I think it just goes. What?
You got it. A little clip. Okay, yeah, let me quickly help you. No, it was right. That little clip belongs on the inside, not the outside. So you just guide it in. Now press down. There you go. You hear that click? Okay, now that one there we'll do after we've put it on. So let's flip this. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna flip this, but before we put it down, because the paste is gonna spread, right? Let's quickly
just connect that.
So this one here is a bit of a tricky one, because normally they're not in these positions. They just that one that you saw prior. It's normally just that connector, but we'll just scoot this in and it should be in now. Okay, now you'll see, if you look nicely, you see there, look at those holes. Are those holes lining up? You see those silver holes?
Yeah.
You see them? Okay, great. Now you know what to do with them?
Yeah.
What do you do? Now, we started this bracket, you're right. So this was normally over there. So we're gonna put that on there. You see how nothing is touching?
Yeah.
So get the ASUS screwdriver. Okay, hold on. Check the ratchet mode. Right, so that is tight. There we go. So it's tightening. Okay, so you want to start to the side, but you don't want to go all the way in. So let's start over here. There, turn it. You just turn it, hold it and turn it. Leave the lid, hold it with both hands. Okay, is it in? Okay, we don't want it all the way in now. So go to this corner over here now. We're going to push down hard to get that plate bent, just like that. And then you're just going to turn. You got it?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, hold on. No, use a screwdriver's force, bud.
Okay.
Okay, so just like that. Okay, hold on. Let's just see. I think it's tight enough. We're going to come back to that. Okay, so now we've tightened that one. So now we go to this one over here. Okay, we're going to do the same. You have to push down hard and then turn. Okay, we don't want to go too far. We're going to this one over here now. So this is a cross. We're spreading across. So you don't want to put all the tension on one end. You want to do it on each end. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop. Now go back to 1. This is number 1. Go on. There you go. Just keep going. You're doing a good job. Okay, stop. It's okay. Okay, go. Okay. You need to be careful. You're going to strip the screws if you go on like that. Okay. But you got it in. Press down. Go. Okay, stop. Want to do that far corner quick. Should have gone that way again, but it's fine. Okay, go. Press down, eh? Now this has to be the hardest part because each one of the ends are differently tensioned. Okay, let me quickly wrap it up. So this has to be a bit of the hardest part because the bracket is pushing against itself to get more pressure so that it actually presses that heat sink to the die so that it can make as minimal contact but spread it.
Oh.
So that the thermal paste is in between there and all spread. Okay, so we need 2 more screws. That's those 2 there. That is to keep everything back to back. So you can do these also if you want. There you go. Okay, move your head so we can see what's going on. Okay, you're pressing down. Press down. Remember, there's a spring on it, so you want to press down. There you go. Now something's happening. Okay, do the same on that one over there, Tina.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to press down, eh? There you go. You got it now. Okay. So keep going. Okay, do this one more. Okay, let me just do the final piece over here. Okay, and we do the same on that one. Okay, now let me check this connector. Make sure she's plugged in all the way. And now we know that it is. And for the final reveal. There you go. And that's how you re-thermal paste your GPU. What did you think? Was that hard? No, you don't have to hold it.
It was easy.
No, don't do that. Was it hard?
No, it was easy.
Was it easy? Will you do it again?
Yes.
What do you think we should do next?
We should just do it again if we need to.
Again?
Yeah, if we need to.
Oh no, that's going to be only in a year's time. You know, normally I only do these things every year. And this is going to be put in what? In a build.
Yes.
So maybe we should do some testing on this sometime. This is what? The RTX 3080 OC edition.
Yeah.
Ah, good GPU, huh?
Yeah.
Bit old, but good. And that's it. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.